Hi, Doug and Rachel Swardstrom here with the Swardstrom Group, and we are thrilled to show you our newest listing here, high in the coastal hills of Newport Coast at 37 Marisol in the Tesoro gated community.
And inside this home is just as gorgeous. They just finished a $500,000 renovation with gorgeous hardwood floors, beautiful Serena and Lily decor, amazing upgrades in the kitchen and bathrooms. You are gonna love this home.
And what's especially beautiful about this home are the views. You can see the Pacific Ocean, city lights views. You're right near Newport Coast Elementary School, the Newport Coast Shopping Center. The location is ideal.
So if you'd like a private tour, DM us and we'd love to show you. Enjoy the video.